What are attribute groups in Salesforce Marketing Cloud Engagement? Attribute groups are part of contact-based data model. Contact-based data model uses data extensions. Data extensions are the custom object in Salesforce Marketing Cloud Engagement, which are relational in nature. You can link two different data extensions with a primary key. You can have one data extension storing your customer's profile and the other data extension storing customer behavior. Both data extension can be linked with each other using customer key or subscriber key. Subscriber key can be defined as a primary key in both data extensions and can be linked. But if I want to see a pictorial representation, a graphical representation, how my data model is distributed within Salesforce Marketing Cloud Engagement, then I will use attribute groups, a feature in Contact Builder in Salesforce Marketing Cloud Engagement. Attribute groups helps you link those data extensions for display purpose. If you have complex data model structure and you want to see how your data is flowing, your data is distributed among various data extensions, you can create attribute groups within Salesforce Marketing Cloud Engagement to graphically represent your data relationships among different data extensions. But what is the benefit of attribute group? The one benefit we already understood is to represent our complex data model at a single place. Contact Builder helps you create attribute groups where you can see this relational data model distributed and created and represented graphically. But contact based data model which are using attribute groups have major implementation within Journey Builder. We can take decisions on real-time customer activities if we have attribute groups created. In Journey, we have journey data and contact data. The journey data which once enters will never change. The state of that data, the change in state of that data is never read by the journey. But the contact based data model, the attribute groups you create, and any action is taken by your subscriber, any real time updates happening on the subscriber data within data extensions can be detected, read by the journey, and can help you take decisions. You can use contact data to see or observe real time customer engagements and take decisions. Decisions like you can define a decision split which uses contact data which has real time customer data available to take decisions. You can also use contact data in exit criterias. In mid of the journey, if certain evaluations are qualified, if a contact is evaluated and if he has performed such activities as per your business requirement and you want to make that contact exit based on the activities they have performed within a journey, you can use contact data to make that contact exit. So contact data works on real-time customer engagements. The real-time customer engagements can be detected and can be taken further actions in a form of decision splits, exit criterias.